We increased this client's revenue by 241% within 90 days of onboarding, and we did so using Google Ads. You can see $51,000 of that total revenue was attributed to Google Ads. My name's Theo Clarke, and I own a Google advertising agency called Profit Driven Marketing. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we increased this client's revenue by 241%. Now, to give a bit of context on this client, they were previously on Etsy, and they are still on Etsy. They had a very good organic listing, and then all of a sudden Etsy's algorithm changed and they lost a lot of traffic that they were otherwise getting from Etsy, which meant their revenue dropped significantly. So they got set up on Shopify. They wanted to essentially bring the advertising opportunities into their own hands and start running paid advertising campaigns on Meta and on Google. Prior to working with us, they were working with a Meta agency who had a pretty poor Advantage Plus campaign set up, and also some very, very basic search text campaigns that weren't converting. So how did we come in onto Google and generate these results? You can see the majority of the results were generated via shopping and of course search. Pretty standard starting point really for Ecom. We also have a dynamic remarketing campaign set up to try and pull some people back to the site. But you can see it's really search and shopping that are generating the greatest performance. Now, overall in the account, we're at 410% ROAS. This client is operating on 50% margins, so a break-even ROAS of 200%. The target was a cost per acquisition of less than $75, and you can see we've done that successfully on shopping and on search, and the ROAS is about 410% based on the enable campaigns. If we look total account as a whole, is 370. So the client's target was 300%. We've overachieved by 0.7, and it's a 200% break even. So the client is extremely profitable at this point. So how did we come in and create search text campaigns with such a high conversion rate when we didn't have any existing data within the advertising account? Well, the first thing we did was export all of their Etsy reviews, and then we started to analyze who their target demographic was and certain search terms, certain keywords that they use in their reviews. So this particular client is in the golfing niche, and in particular, golfing gifts for golfers. Okay, so it's quite an interesting niche. So we exported all of the reviews. Now you'd think, being that it's a gift for golfers, that it would typically be more of a male dominant niche. So you'd expect that the items are being purchased for men, and the reviews did uncover that as well, in that most of the reviews said, deeply meaningful gift for my husband, my son, my friend, and it was typically people buying gifts for men. But more so, we identified that actually a big audience segment were females purchasing products for men. So you'd need to think about these things when you're targeting that particular audience and how you're crafting the copy. It's extremely important that you understand who you're targeting and not just think, oh, it's golf, we need to be targeting men. Yes, the end consumer or the person getting the gift will be a man, but actually a lot of the time it's women purchasing on behalf of men. And that's something that would have been overlooked if we didn't look at all of the reviews. Now, furthermore, we actually went and did research on Reddit. Reddit is like a goldmine for reviews. So we went on there and looked specifically at golfing gifts, and then we pulled all of the information that people were saying about golfing gifts and highlighted the key things that they were saying. This helped us craft our copy for our search text campaigns and also helped us target correctly. So that's how we were able to achieve such a high conversion rate, is by first actually analyzing what our target demographic are doing, how they speak, the certain terminology that they use, the good things and bad things they've said about golfing gifts, so that we can actually craft copy speaking on these pain points. If we go back to here, you can see that people are saying, look, golfers are notoriously picky to buy for. So that's an angle. Do you have a golfer, or do you have a golfing husband who's a nightmare to buy gifts for? Have you considered X, Y, and Z? Again, just a very quick example there, but you get the idea. We can then leverage these pain points using the information that's readily available on Reddit. So I actually teach you how to do all of this inside of our school community called the Google Ads Ecom Academy. You can see I actually have a dedicated video here on identifying your target demographic using Reddit, Quora, and Facebook page goldmines. So this is extremely important. If you want to learn more about this, check out the Google Ads Ecom Academy. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to just continue with this particular client. But very, very important, make sure you always identify who your target demographic is. Then you can take existing data, even if it's not from Google, from places like Reddit or Quora or even your existing or your existing reviews, and you can leverage that terminology and those pain points and those angles in your copy, not your coffee. I obviously need another one of them. You can target those keywords in your search text campaigns and even include them in your shopping titles where relevant, product listing titles rather. And you can see the result of that is a very high conversion rate. This all started with an audit of this client's advertising account, which looked a little something like this. You can see we look into client LTV, Google Merchant Center, customer list, tracking and attribution, search term analysis, opportunities, campaign and ad group analysis, Google Display Discovery Network breakdowns, product type performance. Now, these are the types of audits that we do upfront for free. Why do we audit people's businesses upfront for free? Because it allows us to identify opportunity and make sure that there's actually opportunity for growth. We only work with people that we know that we can help. And we are running a promotion at the moment where you can get a free Google advertising audit, providing you with a step-by-step scaling roadmap, a bit like the one I just showed you there. So if you want to take advantage of that and you want a free audit, get in touch today.